Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to delete template on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So once you are signed in your Shopify account, click on the online store section at the left side of your screen. Then now let me just go ahead and show you all of my templates. So click on customize right here. So now click on this drop down arrow at the upper part of your screen and select pages. Now as you can see, I have this contact template, but let me just go ahead and create a test template. So now this is the template, right? So if you want to delete that, what you need to do is to go back here on the theme section, click on this three little dots or the action button, and click on edit code. Now, once you are here, find the template section and you want to scroll down until you see your page. This is my test one page, okay? Or you can just go ahead and search for test and dash one, okay? So here it is, click on that. So now if you want to delete it, click on this delete icon. So here, are you sure you want to delete this template? This will affect your online store and the action cannot be undone. So if you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on delete file. And now when we check on our customized page, click on pages. As you can see that the test one template is not here, okay? And that is how you delete template on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!